The government and Tehreek-i-Labbaik Pakistan (TLP) have reached terms to conclude the latter's nationwide protest, Islamabad Politics has reported, with the government making the concession to initiate the legal process to place Asia Bibi's name on the exit control list, ECL. Although government has achieved an agreement with the TLP leaders, but religious leaders have not withdrawn the fatwa calling for killing the 3 Supreme Court judges and the call for revolt within the army against the army chief. Not even regrets about these calls. Former Senator Tehreek-i-Labbaik said in his tweet that, from decreeing death for judges to calling for revolts in the army, the militants couldn't have cut more deeply into the foundations of their state. It was time for drawing a firm red line, not for foot-dragging. Oscillation and appeasement. The PPP Secretary Information Nafisa Shah in her tweet said the agreement an abject U-turn and echoes the earlier document of surrender by PMLN. PTI, incapable of keeping to its word, has only appeased those who held the country hostage, she added. Also predicted that they will came back for more and soon. According to agreement, the government has assured TLP that it will not oppose a review petition filed against the Supreme Court's judgment in the Asia Bibi blasphemy case. The government has also promised to take appropriate legal action to redress any deaths that may have occurred during the protests against the Asia Bibi verdict and to release all people picked up in connection with the protests starting October 30th. The TLP has in turn apologized if it hurt the sentiments or inconvenienced anyone without reason. The agreement was signed by Dr. Noorul Haq Qadri, Religious Affairs Minister, and Raja Basharat, Law Minister Punjab, on behalf of the government, and by PIR Muhammad Afzal Qadri, Senior Leader of the TLP, and Muhammad Wahid Noor, Central Chief Nazim of the TLP. The complainant in the Asia Bibi case, Qari Muhammad Salam, had filed a review petition a day earlier through his counsel, Ghulam Mustafa, against the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Asia's conviction in the blasphemy case. The petitioner had also sought the placement of Asia's name on the exit control list till the judgment is reviewed. The Pakistan Tehreek-i-Insaf had said yesterday that the federal government does not plan to put Asia Bibi's name on the exit control list, ECL, or file an appeal for a review against the Apex Court's verdict. It had further said that the review petition filed by Salam was filed by the concerned party, which had nothing to do with the government.